that are swapping out all 4 swimmers.
So Ryan Murphy for the Americans leading things off, the NCAA Swimmer of the Year at Cal. And just a note,
Mitch Larkin right there. You see Mitch Larkin have a big lead now, and that's exactly what Australia needs to get it out front.
Yeah, Larkin pulled ahead almost a half second over France and more than a half second over Kevin Cordes and company in this breaststroke leg.
That's exactly what the United States did not need. A 53 flat from Ryan Murphy.
And now everybody's really bunched up, Rowdy.
Well, watch Australia. It's going to be good here, but you're going to have to keep an eye on lane 7 toward the bottom of your screen. That's Adam Peaty, the champion in the 100 breaststroke.
Yeah, he's taken over the lead. Just
Huge
like
lead
that.
now for Peaty in the 100 fly with 51 flat. This might be the weak link for Great Britain. They had to go with their 200 free champion, James Guy, to go the 100 fly. They didn't have a flyer to put in there, so they had to put Guy.
And Guy, the winner in the 200, just swimming his heart out. Second from the left over there for Great Britain. You got Tom Shields trying to pull ahead of the group here in lane 4.
Great Britain cannot match this guy, Nathan Adrian. I don't think, looking at it, anybody can except right there McAvoy, who got second in the 100 freestyle.
That is Benjamin Proud in the water for Great Britain in the freestyle, and Nathan Adrian. Nathan Adrian, and it looks like Nathan Adrian, though, is not going to give him any room. Nathan Adrian, the United States, pulling ahead.
No, but here comes McAvoy!
And on below him there is McAvoy of Australia to the wall. Adrian hangs on just barely over McAvoy, who charged at the end. That was close. But Adrian holds off Cameron McAvoy. And remember, Australia is without James Magnuson, who just had shoulder surgery, so they could have used him tonight.
15/100ths of a second.
Separates the old rivals, United States and Australia, and an electric final of the men's medley relay.